Be ready. Start. Invoking the jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, challenging the resolution of full court of the High Court of Sikkim recommending to withdraw the appointment of the petitioner made by previous resolution of the full court on the post of civil judge cum judicial magistrate, and to challenge the appointment of respondent number 4 made in place of the petitioner based on the same resolution and void office order dated 8/2/2018 on the same post. This petition has been filed. Stop. The facts unfolded of the case are that an advertisement was issued by the High Court of Sikkim inviting applications from the eligible and interested candidates to fill up 3 vacant posts of civil judge cum judicial magistrate first class in the cadre of Sikkim Judicial Service. Stop. The petitioner submitted his application form and appeared in the written test. Stop. He found place in the list of successful candidates as per notification and called for the interview. Stop. The petitioner appeared in the Viva Voce test and found place in the merit list at serial number 2 of the selected candidates. Stop. As per the resolution, full court of the High Court of Sikkim, the name of the petitioners and others were recommended for appointment to the state government for the post of civil judge cum judicial magistrate. Stop. After appointment, the Joint Secretary, Department of Personnel, Administrative Reforms, Training, Public Grievances, Government of Sikkim informed to the Registrar General, High Court of Sikkim. Stop. One of the selected candidates petitioner was found involved in police case under section of IPC, though acquitted by the Court of Judicial Magistrate, void judgment. Stop. The letter was placed before the full court. Stop. The full court in its meeting held on 11/8/2017 after examining all materials unanimously resolved that the conduct of the petitioner is not free from the element of doubt, thus he may not be given the assignment of administration of justice and recommended to withdraw the previous resolution with respect to appointment of the petitioner to the post of civil judge cum judicial magistrate. Stop. In furtherance thereto, his services has been dispensed with and the respondent was directed to be appointed on the said post. Stop. The petitioner present in person contended that he was acquitted from the charge levelled against him under section 468 of the IPC, void judgment dated 30/4/2016. Stop. On receiving the offer of appointment specifying the details of the criminal case and its result. Stop. He has urged it is not a case of concealment of material facts as he has disclosed the details of criminal case and its result, acquitting him in the attestation form. Stop. Being candidate of merit as per the resolution of the full court. He had rightly been appointed by the state government. Stop. Merely registering a criminal case in which he was acquitted by the court may not debar him from the appointment as civil judge. Stop. On the other hand, respondent number 3 has filed the counter affidavit inter alia stating that in furtherance to the notice inviting application to fill up. Stop.